With the Google Display Network, you can reach a huge audience to increase your brand awareness and drive more traffic to your website. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Display Network effectively. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for watching this video where I will take you through the steps to set up your campaign. Create a Google Display Network campaign. When you log in to your Google Ads dashboard, click the plus campaign button and then select Display Network only. Try to follow a consistent naming structure and create your new campaign. You will need to select the locations that you wish to target, your bidding model, and maximum budget per day. For remarketing campaigns, you may wish to set some limits within frequency capping to avoid annoying your audience. Research has shown that with remarketing, the conversion rate dropped after the 8th impression of the advert. You may therefore choose to set the limit at, for example, 1 to 2 views per person per day to avoid this. You can find frequency capping within the advanced settings in your dashboard. As soon as the targeting has been set up, you can move on to create your ads. To do this, click upon the Ads tab and select the type of ad that you want to create from the drop-down menu. You can then create your ad. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.